Hi, I'm Brenda with Nana's Hidden Apron. I am going to make some salsa. My cousin was kind enough to offer us a load of fresh tomatoes. A lot of people, what's better than a fresh tomato? You pick it off the vine. We're going to, because he was kind enough to give us an abundance of them, we're going to make some salsa. So I have fresh tomatoes, which is going to be 3 cups of fresh tomatoes, a cup of onion. I'm going to put, I'm going to seed it because I can't eat seeds. 1 jalapeno pepper, which a sweet person from church gave us. Green pepper. I have some hot sauce that I'm going to put in it, give it a little extra kick. I have cilantro. I have cumin. I have some pepper, or salt, I'm sorry. I have some lime juice. And as Tom says, let's get this party started. You can use, obviously, you can use fresh cilantro, fresh lemon juice. I just don't keep fresh cilantro or lemons in the fridge. I prefer to use the dried spices. And yeah, you see me pulling those seeds out of that tomato. I can't eat them. They cause me great issues. We've got some three different pork loins out there on the smoker going. All kinds of yumminess going on here Saturday. Beautiful Saturday. Kentucky's weather's been awesome for the past week. There for a while we thought we were down south somewhere, like far south, like where the devil is. It was so hot. But now, it's been more like spring weather. Wonderful. Love it. So, I'm going to go ahead and get these all cut up, get the seeds out of everything, and then I'll be right back. Removing the seeds, pesky little rascals to me. But you know what? If I do this, then I get to eat some of this fresh salsa. Otherwise, I could not do it. Okay. Got my hands all cleaned off. This was a little over 3 cups, but it's close. And it took 4 fairly good sized tomatoes to get these 3 cups out with the way I was de-seeding it. Go ahead and dice up this green pepper. It's only 1/4 of a green pepper is what it is. I know, not supposed to let that knife do that. I'm not a chef. I'm just a me. I am just a me who is making some salsa for the first time. So all I can say is let's hope it tastes good. I can hear Tom's stomach growling. We didn't have any lunch. But it's okay, we're going to have dinner in a little while. And it's going to be some keep hearing that dog in there. I don't know what he's doing. Y'all saw him before, Brinkley. The maniac Yorkie. But I'm going to fix us some meatball subs. Keto. For supper. I'll work on that next. Yeah. Look through there and make sure they're not too big of a chunk. Diced, but small. Honey, I'm going to save that one for in a minute. What do? Don't rub your eyes when you cut one of these open. It will hurt. It's supposed to be a cup of onion, but I don't know that I'm going to put a whole cup of onion in there. Smells good. Fresh tomatoes always smell good though, don't they? Green peppers, onions. Tom got my little jars out to clean them up over there. Got them ready for this salsa. This I should tell you all, we also have a YouTube page, YouTube channel that's called KY Travelers. Go check us out. You might like some of the stuff you see on there about our cruises and our motorcycle rides and oops. Just a few this and that. We did the little challenge. I don't know if they actually said challenge, but they EECC when they fixed their gumbo, and we went ahead and made some. It tastes good. I think it's kind of like chili though. I like it better the second day. I do. Okay. What about it, Mr. Owens? You think that's enough onion?
I do, yes.
Yeah. He's not a big onion fan. Sorry, my nose is itching. Alright. You know what? My knife. That thing's got to go. There's what we need. Come out of there. Oh no, we can't have that. Not to mention, those seeds make it hotter. Much hotter. Again, that's Brinkley with all his racket. What about, dear? You want the whole thing in there?
Sure.
Well, I mean, it's going to have some bee sting hot sauce, so. But I'll chop these up much smaller. Tiny, tiny, tiny little bits. You know what I'm going to do after I get finished here? I'm going to get my knives out and sharpen. Sorry about that. Had to go find out what all the ruckus was. I think they're just voicing their opinion, most of all. There we go. Noisy little animals. Alright. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to go find out what all the commotion was about. And I still don't know. They hear and see something I don't. Okay. We've got our vegetables in there. I have my tomatoes, I have my onion, I have jalapeno pepper. I have green pepper. So I just went ahead and put some salt in there. And now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of lime juice in it. Like I said, you can use fresh. I just don't keep it on hand. I don't know why. I just don't. And we're going to put a tablespoon of that hot sauce in there too. Should have done my dry ingredients first, but I didn't. What can I say? We're semi-live at this. So cumin, I do believe I'm just going to put half a teaspoon. I can always, no, I'm going to go ahead and go with a teaspoon of it. Oops. I'm making a mess. Hello. Alright. Now the cilantro. Go with it. Tablespoon and a half of dry. Yeah. Let's get this all mixed up. I believe Tom was right. I probably should put it in a bowl. Why don't we ever listen to our husbands when they make suggestions? Okay. They're just right here, so it's fine. I think if I had 500 cabinets, I'd find something to put in every one of them. Yeah, that's better. And now we can get it mixed up. Smells good. You smell it? Yeah, does it smell good to you?
I moved the camera up and down so they could see my head nodding up and down.
I thought that's what you did. Alright. Now. You know what the problem is now? Keto. We're back on our keto kick starting this weekend. I know you're not supposed to have tomatoes on keto, but look, my cousin gave these to me. He's still got a garden full of them. I have to do something with them. But we don't have any chicks in the house. Let me go find something to give these a try with. I'll be right back. Okay. I got us some whisk. Come on over here, Mr. Owens. One for you, one for me. Yeah, let's give this a little try. He took a taste of it. Said he got a little bite of that jalapeno too. Lit him up. That was very good.
That's good stuff right there, yep.
I think I might have put a little too much hot sauce in it. What do you think? Add one more tomato to cool it down. Okay. Well, I'm going to do that, then I'll be right back with you all. Get this put up into the jars and stuff. Do you want it? You want to taste it with just that, or you want to?
The wisps.
Okay. You'll have to get my other because. Hello. Has another tomato in it, so let's give it a try. Now, see if that helps it. I went overboard with the with the bee sting. Well, that don't work so good on that little whisk, but. That's a whole lot better. Okay. But, sorry. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like it, share it. Start following me. Join the page. I also join the channel. I also have a page on Facebook called Handcrafted By that's got a lot of my recipes on it. This is going to be on there too. So for now, we're going to get off of here, and I'm going to get my mess cleaned up. I'm going to get this stuff put in jars too. I'll put some pictures on here to show you guys what it looks like after it's in the jars. But have a good evening. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. We'll see you.